Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy with a machine. First, let's get your machine ready. Carefully assemble all components following your manufacturer's instructions. Place the machine on a sturdy, level surface, ensuring it is clear of any flammable items. Plug it in and allow it to preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial step ensures the sugar melts perfectly for fluffy results. Once your machine is fully preheated, it's time for the magic to begin. Take 1 level scoop of your favorite floss sugar and carefully pour it directly into the center of the spinning head. As the machine works, you'll see the sugar melt and transform into those delicate, sugary threads we all love. Remember, 1 scoop is usually plenty for a perfect serving. Now for the fun part, collecting your delicious treat. Grab a paper cone and hold it horizontally, just above the spinning head where the threads are forming. Slowly rotate the cone, allowing the wispy cotton candy to wrap around it. Keep turning and winding until your cotton candy reaches your desired size and fluffiness. Enjoy your freshly made creation. After enjoying your sweet treat, proper cleaning is essential for machine longevity. First, turn off and unplug your cotton candy maker, letting it cool down completely. Once cool, carefully disassemble the spinning head and the large bowl. Wipe down all surfaces with a damp cloth to remove any sugar residue. Ensure everything is dry before storing your machine until your next cotton candy adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.